Hi, Tuesday? No, Wednesday today. I went to bed at a decent time yesterday because I haven't been too well this week. Someone walking by. I have my windows open because it started off cold and it's a gorgeous day now, so windows open, air the place out. Um, where was I? Wednesday today. Went to bed at a decent time, slept right through, which is good because I've been having a bit of a rough time. Only trouble with good weather is so many people walk by. So many. Whatever. Pretty sure people know that there's someone in here by now. Um, Wednesday. Woke up with a wicked headache, and I don't know, I kind of know why. I quit smoking, well, I'd quit smoking for over a year, and then with the split up, ended up smoking again. And then I quit again probably 3 months ago, close to 4 months ago. And then I started again. Well, not necessarily started, my vape broke, and that led to me having a stressful day. Not the day it broke, like, it just kind of crept up on me. The first week it was just one or two I'd bum off my workmate because I was learning the new station at work, so I was a little stressed and I didn't have anything to kind of take the edge off. And then it ended up to that I'm back to like half a pack to almost a pack. So I did buy one last one today because I'm going, it's payday tomorrow. I will go, I still can get some free ones, but didn't want to go until it's payday so I can do my shopping at the same time. I can get some free patches because that's how I quit the other time. That seems to be, I've quit multiple times and that works best for me is the patches. So I'm back onto that, and then I'm going to try and do it without the vape. So then if anything happens to my vapes again, or if I do the vapes, just get some of the oils that have no nicotine, because some of mine had nicotine, and I was trying to get rid of the higher nicotine ones, and I think I was... Anyway, excuses. I got to stop that. There's a diet. I'm not that much into diets, but this one seems doable for me. Can't remember the name of it. It's just basically it's a high protein, low carb kind of thing, which shouldn't be too hard for me. I'll probably have to cut like sugar and stuff in my coffee. I also want to do the juicing at work, but I'll just have to do a little more research on what fruits and veggies I can use, because some of them do have quite a high content of sugar. I do not do calorie counting. I don't know how, and I have no interest. I don't want that much. I just need... It's more so that I have an idea of what to do for shopping. I can write a list for this program, some people prefer to call it. So I can just list the food that I want and then do shopping from a shopping list. And it gives me a guideline, then hopefully that'll get stuck in my head, so when I go shopping, my headache's coming back. I woke up with a splitting headache, and it went away for maybe 2 hours, and now it's starting to kick back in, and I know it's the cigarettes, damn it, because when I quit, I might have one headache a month. When I am smoking, headaches, migraines whack me like no man's business, so I definitely know it's that. So this is my last pack. That'll last me till Friday when I go and do shopping, get the patches again. And because I'm going to do this program, diet whatever, it will not include stuff like this. I normally like the crunchy Mrs. Vickers and the kettle chips. I love those, but I've had a couple of those the past couple of weeks, and I've been craving these, so I thought I'd better satisfy my craving now while I have been bad, because these past 3 weeks have been so bad. I've been eating the junk food at work, which I usually don't, and smoking, and it's just been really, really bad, and I am suffering for it. I feel like crap. I know that's why I'm getting the headaches. This is why I haven't been not always sleeping well, like waking up again, and it's nothing but myself to blame. So need to get that back on track. I'm not even sure if I'll get this up tonight. This might just be added to tomorrow or whenever I do the next video, because my head, this eye is really starting to hurt behind it. So I'm going to take something, have something to eat. Oh, I brought a sub as well from a Vietnamese sub. So yummy there. Nice fresh crispy buns. And that's going to be my last one of those, because I'll be cutting bread out again, which I've been bad with. Anyway, whatever. I just need to eat better and quit the nasty stuff, and I'll start feeling better. I think that's also played on my moods as well, is the fact that I just haven't been eating very well. For shame. Anyway, I'm going to leave it for that for now. Bye.